All right. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Top Navigator uh, Private Trading Room. Today is September 26, 2019. Let's see how things going. Yesterday, the wild day. The market it pulled back down early in the morning, and then they come right to the bottom, and then they push right back up. So as you can see today, right now, the market is still in the sideways mode. Okay, so but technically, we have to see it more development because you see the market it hit to the top here, pulled back down, go right here, test the fail zone, the sell zone, they fell, and now they pull back down. So look like they stop it right here. They try to find a way back up again. Okay, so if you can look at this one here, microscope, I look at smaller time frame, you can see that the market it pulled back down yesterday. They pulled back up, and overnight they come back down, and they pull back up. So we want to see more. If today the market they run out of gas right here, definitely they will pull back here to the support between this area here before they can gain some momentum and go back up. Okay, and test the sell zone again. So uh, we have to see more development so that we know how clear it is. But in the meantime, the Dow trend line here is still at the major resistance. Okay, for on the way up there. So if you are a short-term trader, you have to watch out. If the market pull back, looking for the support area, and then the target they push it back to around 3,000 area. Okay, so look like that direction for today. And for the uh, RTY, yesterday they come down and then they hold at the support. They found up a bottom, they shoot it back up, and then they come back down. They test it here, and now it seems like it look like they ran out of gas. So we have to wait and see how far they can put it down here. So if it break that one on the top, they will continue to go higher. But if they going down, they take this low, then you have to watch out for this blue box here because that's where they're going to stop and then revert and find a way to go higher. If on the daily chart, if you continue to push it back up to the sell zone and retest it again. Okay, so when the market open, you will see if they go down here, they will get back to this box here. Okay, and then we can monitor to see the market how they react at this level. If they be able to hold this level and punch back up, and we'll go back and test the downtrend line again. So that's for the Russell. Okay. For the YM it's same thing. They go down, they hold back up, and now they shoot back up here. They hit right into the sell zone over here. So right now, if the when the market open, they pull back down. So watch out for the area that will support. And if they're able to hold at this level, and then will continue to go back up again. If they don't, they take this low, then we have to watch out. It means that the downtrend is still on the way. Okay, so but they be able to break the parallel channel here, so I think they will pull back to somewhere around here, and then because when they break down the resistance here, normally they will pull back to the support first before they can get some momentum and put it higher. Okay, for the NQ is same thing. NQ is on the 60-minute chart. As you can see, the bigger time frame here in the smaller time frame, they try to hold up at this channel here. So it depends on what they're going to do right here. If they pull back down, look for the support area. If they push back up, look for the resistance area here. Okay. And for oil is the currently is still in the downtrend. As you can see that the oil have been shooted back up, hit to the sell zone, and then pull back down, and then they test the buy zone before they fell. So now they come back down, but on the way down, you also see that they have a support here. So as long as the support here hold, and then on the short term here, the oil is still in this trend line here, okay? So they may bottom out here, okay, and then turn around. By look at here, you can see if they break this level here, the oil will continue to go higher. Other than that, the oil still have to go back here and test this one here, okay, to see that they be able to bounce back up again. So, so you watch out for the low of yesterday over here, okay. So that direction here. So this is the support. If they hold up here and they break the trend line here, take this one out here, they will have a chance to go higher and test the next level up here or the top here. Okay, so that's for the oil. And for the natural gas, the natural gas is pulled right into this zone here. But this is the white line I put in here. That's how, where the natural gas probably will stop right there. Okay, because right now they are in the way down, so they can go back to $2 and 2.388 before they can rebound. Okay, and for the goal is they show some sign of weakness yesterday. The last week, the goal is try to hang very tight on this line, and then you can see that yesterday they drop below it, they hold it, they pull back here. If they can have hold of this level, and definitely if the goal will come back. Okay, so but overnight in the short term, you can see that the gold it already pulled back down here. Okay, so right now, if they hold it back here, they will bow back up first. Okay, to this box here. Okay, and then you can see that they revert, and then they come down further. At that time, this is the final attempt of the gold. They come right here, they put back up. Okay, if they cannot hold it, they break this one here. That's a confirm of the downtrend of the gold to be corrected, okay, to this box over here. And then we will monitor to see how far maybe they hit to somewhere here before they can show you uh, they completely way fall down here. Okay, so that's for the gold. And uh, for the bond is, you see, yet we have this box here. As you can see that the market shoot back up right into the retracement area, and now they're on the way down. So watch out for this box here, okay, to see they be able to hold it or they will continue to go lower, okay. And for the Bitcoin is still on the daily chart, it's still hang around here, so it's still not quite sure that because this is a area, the Bitcoin have to be whole at this level here, okay. So let's see how they can hold anyway and bow. Right now, this is the last line of defense. Okay, if they hold it here and then, which is this one, they can bow back up or they can put back right into the trade area before they can turn around and go higher. Okay, that's for Bitcoin. And for the euro this is the final attempt of the last line of defense. You can see that they have been held up with this one. This is the major support one, support twice, and this is the last one here. So let's see they be able to hold it up here. If they not be able to hold this level, and you see that the euro will go lower. But if they be able to hold it one here, and then they can turn around until they be able to break this trend line down. If they cannot break this trend line, technically they do, even if put back here, they do here until the day that they give you confirmation and get out. Okay, but in the short term, you can see that the euro it looked like the final move here. If they can hold up here, and then you have to go back again and give you some kind of confirmation before they can go back and test the upper channel again. Okay. So that's for the euro. And other than that, uh, I think I will cover almost everything. Okay. So let's see when the market open a few more minutes to see how they go. So thank you for coming, and this is the market uh, forecast for today, and hope you enjoy it. If you like it, you can check out YouTube for to surprise every time we have information. We will send it to you so you can see right away. All right, thank you.